everybody, it's Meg here from 12inkypawprints.blogspot.com, and this is my monthly video introducing to you the new Club La La Land Crafts Club Kit, so you know I'm really excited. It's my one time a month I get to talk to you about the awesome products that we have in this club kit and to encourage you to give it a look. So this month's kit is super special. It's a favorite of Irina's. It's a favorite of the design team. It's all about fiesta and tacos and guacamole. Perfect for the summer sunshine, don't you think? In this club kit this month, I don't have my card printed out to show you, but I'm going to show you the products in just a second. First, I'm just going to explain what we've got. We've got two stamp sets. One's called Fiesta Mercy, and the other one is called Ay Chihuahua. And we have Mercy with two sentiments, Hey Chica and Let's Fiesta. And we've got three different chihuahuas with 6 sentiments. Holy Guacamole, Fiesta Like There's No Mañana, Taco Tuesday, it's one of my favorites, Muchas Gracias, Ay Chihuahua, Let's Talk About It. Those are the sentiments. And there's 3 dies. There's a Fiesta word die, a taco builder die, and a guacamole die. So let me show you everything that we've got, but before I go, while I'm opening this package, I'll talk to you a little bit about the club kit. Most of you who watch my videos, you've heard me talk about the club kits before and what an awesome deal they are, and how I was a club kit member before I was ever a part of the design team. When they started the Club La La Land Crafts design team, I've been on it since the beginning, if that tells you anything about how much I love this. So I'm a crafter who loves to get a deal in a steal. Most of you already know that too. And it's pretty hard to get a deal and a steal on amazing products because they're all sold out by the time you get to the steal part. Oh, hold on, that's the dog and the cat. My boyfriend's dog is over today, and he and the cat get along mostly, but maybe not right now. Okay, so by the time you get to the steal part, everything's been put on sale, 40-50% off maybe, and everything's picked over. What I love about the club kits is that when you purchase them as a club kit member, you're paying $39.99 for products that range between about $65, $72. The value on this kit this month is $77.95. So if you do the math, for $39.99, $77.95, you're well over 40% off for brand new stuff, never before on the market, exclusive to club kit members for 6 months to a year. And to me, that's just amazing. It's so special to me that Irina does that with her company. And so it's one of the big reasons that I love the club kits from La La Land Crafts. Another reason is I really love the products. They're deep etched red rubber stamps, very high quality. If you have any other products from La La Land Crafts, you know this. The dies are strong steel dies. It's just really awesome, really awesome stuff. So I've got a link at below this video that tells you a little bit more about the club kit, how you can find out about it. For brand new members, you have about till the 17th to the 18th to sign up each month to guarantee that you start your kit off with the kit that I'm showing you. So if you really love this Fiesta kit, I'm not positive if it's the 18th this month, I forgot to check, or the 17th. Sign up by the 17th to be safe, I'd say. And you'll start your club kit membership with this kit. Each month it's a different theme. Each month it's totally awesome and you'll love it. You can discontinue at any time if you find out finances don't allow, but I assure you, you won't want to. And sorry, my talk with my hands and my hand got in the way. But now that I've given you that information, let me actually talk about the club kit so you can see what all the goodies are. And I'm going to show you some projects I made that you've already seen, but I'll show you close up. So here's my Mercy stamp that I told you about. Her sentiments are Hey Chica and Let's Fiesta. That is my calico cat that the dog was barking at, sorry. The cat always shows up in one of these videos, you know? Just never know which cat's going to show up. Here are my 3 chihuahuas. They each have a different pose, and you'll see all 3 of them separately in my projects. So here's Taco Tuesday, Muchas Gracias, Ay Chihuahua, Fiesta Like There's No Mañana, Mañana. Up there is Holy Guacamole, and this one is Let's Talk About It. Normally when I do my stamps, I try to keep them together as much as possible. There is a backing sheet that comes on the back of these. In order to start using them, you just remove them, and then it's a rubber cling stamp you can put anywhere. Some people cut their stamps apart, some people use them together. Like I said, I try to keep them together as much as possible unless I really need to cut them out to make sure that I get a good, an accurate impression, a straight impression, because I'm doing something that's already dependent on where I put something else, if that makes sense. You always get this little thank you card, laminated thank you card from Irina. So once you cut your stamps apart or take the backing sheet off, it's a great way to store them. Ingenious, huh? Those are the stamps. Here are the dies. Now, I love this Fiesta die for many reasons. First, it's just a really cool word die. But second, you get hot peppers and lemons or limes also out of this. So it's a great versatile way to use it. Here's my taco die. It can be a hard shell or a soft shell taco. You can put beef or lettuce or guacamole, whatever you'd like in the center. And then here's my chips and dip. My guacamole die. Cool, huh? The dies always cut out first time from La La Land Crafts. You never have a problem cutting out your dies. All the dies that you see here are first time cut. I didn't practice. I didn't put any wax paper on my dies to make sure they cut through accurately, because the dies from La La Land Crafts just cut through first time use. Here's the first project I made. It's called Let's Talk About It. Here's one of my chihuahuas, and there's my Mercy. She's dancing, so one of her little feet is cocked up a little bit. Here are my hot peppers. I decided I was going to make red peppers and green jalapenos because I really like green jalapenos with Mexican food. And here's my taco. I think it looks more like a bit of a quesadilla for me today, but that's good because I like those too. I've used some other products from La La Land Crafts on this projects, so below my video I will list all those additional projects and my blog if you'd like to go and check out my post. Now, in my picture for my project today, I did not have this black string. I drew that in by hand, and basically I drew it in because I wanted to make sure that it was clear that I meant those hot peppers to be, you know those hot pepper light strings that are out there that you can put on your deck for like parties and stuff? I just think that's a really cool idea, and I wanted those peppers to look like that. That's my hot pepper light string. I really had fun with this project. And my second project for today uses the other two pups, the other two chihuahuas. Aren't they so cute? And if you check out my blog, I have a link there to other design team projects. It's so cool to see how all the different design team members colored up the different doggies. So here's the Fiesta die, and here's actually that taco die. I made it into a banner up on top, and this is the chips and dip, the guacamole die. It's really neat too. You can put them up on different levels. So I don't know if you can see, the bowl is up on one layer of dimensional foam, and then the food, the dip, is up on another layer of dimensional foam, just to give it some 3D appeal. Cool, huh? So that's my two projects, and this is the club kit for this month. I hope you've enjoyed this first look-see. I hope that you give Club La La Land Crafts a thought. If you're new, if you have any questions about it, you can contact me on my blog. I have a link there to send me a message. I'd love to be able to answer your questions. I also will, below this video, post a link to our Facebook group. It's a great way, even if you're not a Club Kit member, to get some inspiration on what Club Kit is like, and some inspiration on projects to use with Club Kit materials. One final thing I'll tell you before I leave today, is with your subscription, another perk is that each month you receive a PDF tutorial on a project from each design team member. This one will be my tutorial for the month, so I'll go through a step-by-step on how to make this project. If you decide to follow my tutorial and post it in our group, I'd love it if you could tag me so I could see what you've done. I really like when I can inspire people, and hope I can give you some cheers for a good job done in adapting my project to be your very own project. Okay, I'll talk to you next time. Have a great day.